Do you have a desire to use your God-given passion and creative talent to develop new and exciting products in an ever-changing marketplace? Cedarville's distinctly Christian Industrial and Innovative Design, or IID major, may be the perfect fit for you. In a unique collaboration, Cedarville partners with the International Center for Creativity, or ICC, in Northwest Columbus, Ohio. You will spend your first 2 years on Cedarville's campus, completing your Bible minor and general education courses. Then, you will complete your junior and senior years at the ICC's Professional Design Studios, where you will be challenged, inspired, and prepared for a dynamic career in 3D design. You will learn rendering skills, hands-on problem solving, model making, digital design, design research, design entrepreneurship, presentation skills, and design thinking methodology. You'll take your classes consecutively, meaning that you'll focus on and master one subject area fully before moving on to another. This allows for more intensity, increased retention, and a greater simulation to real-world design projects, demands, and deadlines. Throughout the program, you'll take courses in consumer product design, exterior design, interior architectural design, and transportation design. In your final year, you will choose one of these areas to specialize in and complete your capstone project in that area. IID students have an experience that is truly one of a kind through challenging and relevant projects, engaging faculty, and a dynamic curriculum. Consider choosing an industrial and innovative design major for your time at Cedarville.